Hello world, welcome back to another CTFlearn challenge video. In this video, we'll be walking through the reverse engineering challenge, reverse dis. Let's get into it. Could you find the hidden password? If you download the file that they give you from the link here, you're going to get this problem file right here. And if you run file on it, you're going to see that it's a 64-bit ELF file. If you try to execute it, it's going to prompt you for a password. We're going to just put some jargon in there. And then it says wrong password because of course that's not right. So it's pretty clear that we need to figure out what the password is in order to crack this challenge. And the easiest way to do that is to run it in Radari 2, the command line version anyways. The GUI version isn't going to be as simple. So we'll run that. We're going to go ahead and start its debugging mode up. And then we're going to see what functions are available to us by typing in AFL like this. We can see that there's a main function. Let's go ahead and try disassembling that main function. We're going to go ahead and maximize this so we can see everything easier. As you can see here, there's some strings being loaded here and a message being loaded here. And we can't actually see what any of that is yet. But what's cool about the command line version of Radari is that oftentimes when it runs the code or goes through the code, if you set a breakpoint or let the program execute all the way, it'll actually populate these values with whatever these strings ended up being once it actually references the values at the addresses that are specified by these objects, or at whatever address these are populated at, as indicated by these comments out here. So if we let the program run, these should change to the plain text versions of what these strings here, 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 and so on and so forth are and will be. That being the case, let's go ahead and run the program itself. We'll do DR. My bad, we'll do DC. We'll do DC again because I don't know why it did that there, but it doesn't matter. DC just tells it to continue the program after we do DOO on it. So what we're going to do now is just type in some random jargon because it doesn't matter what we put here. And then it's going to finish. And what we can do now is disassemble the main function like so. And you're going to actually see your flag right here at this object.message string. So as you can see, anywhere that there was kind of some hex data, there's a potential string that's going to be populated there. We can actually see our input right here. And another random string right here. Actually, that ends up being the key. So this ended up being some kind of encryption type thing that we could have probably decoded, but it doesn't really matter because Radari 2 gave us what we wanted at the end anyways. So our flag ends up being reversing dude, and we'll copy that, paste it into our flag submission box here, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.